What is narrator's profession? Who is narrator here? Sudha Murthy is the narrator. And what is her profession? She is a computer science teacher at a college in Bangalore. Why was Hassan not noticed by the teacher in the class? Its answer is Hassan was not noticed by the teacher in the class because he was hardly ever present. Why would the narrator render attendance to Hassan every time? It means कि narrator ਸੁਧਾ ਮੂਰਤੀ ਜੀ ਹਸਨ ਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਵਾਰ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਹਾਜ਼ਰੀਆਂ ਘਟਣ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਹਾਜ਼ਰੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ? Because a good teacher always wish best for her student. Because Hassan every time, because a good teacher always wish best for her students. And next is, why were Hassan's parents called to school? Hassan's parents were called to school because he was very irregular in his class. Because he was very irregular in his class. Next is, during which days would Hassan often show up in the class? You must have read the lesson that Hassan would often see in the class during the test days or exam days. Hassan would often show up in the class if there was a test or during examination. Next is, what was Hassan's mother's plea to his father? Hassan ਦੇ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ? Hassan's mother's plea to his father was that it is difficult to control boys and he should speak to him man to man. Why did parent-teacher meeting end fruitlessly? Its answer is, the parent-teacher meeting ended fruitlessly because the parents blamed each other for Hassan's absence in the school. Because his parents blamed each other for Hassan's absence in the school. Describe the physical appearance of Hassan when he met his teacher after several years. ਜਦੋਂ ਹਸਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਣੇ ਟੀਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਰੀਰਕ ਦਿੱਖ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੀ? He was plump. Its answer is, he was plump with a bald head and moderately dressed. ਉਹ ਥੋੜਾ ਮੋਟਾ, plump ਮੋਟਾ, with a bald head, ਸਿਰੋਂ ਗੰਜਾ, and moderately dressed, ਤੇ ਸਧਾਰਨ ਜਿਹਾ ਪਹਿਰਾਵਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਪਹਿਨਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ. What had narrator expected Hassan to become in his life? ਤਾਂ narrator ਨੇ ਕੀ ਆਸ ਜਤਾਈ ਕਿ ਹਸਨ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਬਣਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ? Its answer is, the narrator expected Hassan to be in high position in the software industry. So you should note here that you have to put third form with had. The narrator expected Hassan to be high in position in the software industry. And here in question number 7, in question there is did. Why did parent teacher meeting end fruitlessly? In the answer you have not to apply did, you are not to write did, but in that place you have to put the second form of verb. Answer will be, the parent teacher meeting ਦਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ ended fruitlessly. Next is, how did Hassan study when he was in his college? In his college, Hassan would often study before his exams. He would study for the probable questions and skip the chapters. According to Hassan, who were nerds? This is very important question. According to Hassan, those people who worked hard were nerds. ਹਸਨ ਨੇ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ? ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਫਰਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ, ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ 'ਚ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਇਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਾਤਾ ਪਿਤਾ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਲੜਦਾ ਝਗੜਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ। ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦੇ। ਡਿਊ ਟੂ ਫਰਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹਸਨ quarreled with his father. His father got so fed up that he told him to stay separately. Next is what made Hassan feel optimistic as he left the narrator's office. ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹਸਨ ਨਰੇਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣ ਉਹਦੇ ਆਫਿਸ 'ਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਵਾਪਸ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਇੰਨਾ ਆਸ਼ਾਵਾਦੀ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋਇਆ? Optimistic means ਆਸ਼ਾਵਾਦੀ। Hassan felt optimistic. Again here verb ਦੀ second form लगेगी। Hassan felt, feel ਦਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ felt optimistic as the narrator told him that he knew his faults, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਸਨੇ ਨਰੇਟਰ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ and he could improve and change his habits. So these are all short answers. Long questions type ਜਿਹੜੇ long answer type questions ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ you have to do the character sketch of Hassan and theme of the chapter Hassan's attendance problem. So sometimes this question draw a character sketch of the narrator Sudhamurthy. It may also appear in the exams. So this we will do some another time. Now move to vocabulary practice. Give one word for the following, selecting words from the list given in the box. So all these are words given in a box. Nerd means Hassan and ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ nerds ਉਹ ਕੀ ਨੇ hard working. Lazy ਸੁਸਤ, affluent ਅਸਰ ਰਸੂਖ ਵਾਲਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਅਮੀਰ ਘਰਾਣੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, moderate ਸਧਾਰਨ, ordinary ਸਧਾਰਨ, arrogant ਗੁੱਸੇ ਵਾਲਾ, famous ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰ। So we have to use all these words for these sentences, short sentences. Give one word for these all. One who is lethargic. Is there any word for this? One who is lethargic means sust. Sust means lazy. So its answer will be lazy here. One who is born with a silver spoon in his mouth. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਜਮੰਦਰੂ ਹੀ ਅਮੀਰ ਘਰਾਣੇ 'ਚ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੋਵੇ। So it means affluent. One who is born with a silver spoon, affluent. Let me erase this. Okay. And third is one who is proud and haughty. This is arrogant. Proud and haughty, hankari. One who is well known, famous, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋਣ। One who is run of the mill type, average, ordinary. And one who is sensible and restrained, moderate. And one who is a bore is a nerd.